customizing colors, fonts, and branding. The goal of this lesson is to teach learners how to personalize their project in Uizard using brand colors and theme settings in order to reflect a consistent and professional identity. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. Now that your layout is built, it is time to make your app look and feel like your brand. In this lesson, I will walk you through how to customize your project colors, fonts, and overall branding using Uizard built-in style settings. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, you can access the theme generator feature in order to apply different styles to your design. Now, in order for you to find your theme generator feature, all you have to do is to come right here where it says magic. You can see where my mouse cursor is on, right? Click on this magic, and then right here you would see your theme generator. All right, here it says generate theme, create unique design theme in seconds. All right, note this, guys. The theme generator helps you to quickly apply different styles to your pre-existing design using AI. It's available on any subscription plan with some limitations actually. All right, now let's go ahead to click on our theme generator, and when I click on it, a dialog box pops up asking you how you would like to initiate your theme creation. Is it by typing a description, uploading a screenshot, entering website URL, or do you want to be guided? So guys, in this lesson we are going to be typing in a description. All right, now if you are looking to change color specifically, you can also use the color picker. While you can't globally change specific colors, access an entire project, the theme generator is our best option for changing the overall style of your project. Now let's describe the desired theme using a text prompt, all right, or keywords such as minimalist, modern, or retro. Now let's click on type description. So guys, let's go ahead to describe our theme in details, including colors, fonts, and style. Now let's say for the minimalist theme, all right, we can say clean, uncluttered layout, neutral colors, simple typography, and that's fine. Now you can go ahead also to say we need a minimalist theme with white background with a black sans serif font. and lots of spacing. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, you can have a variety of description. All right, describe the desired theme using your keywords or your text prompt, just like we are doing right now. So guys, you can also desire to have a modern theme, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, what we have here right now is a text prompt, or should I say a keyword of the kind of theme we desire. The keyword here is the minimalist theme. All right, you can go ahead to make it a futuristic theme, a retro theme, or even a modern theme. It depends on the kind of theme you see fit for your project. Now let's go ahead to click on this button right here, or you press your enter key on your keyboard. And now it says AI limit has been reached. All right, upgrade to a paid plan in order to experience the full and unlimited power of Auto Designer. Remember, we are working with a free subscription plan. So guys, at your own end, you can decide to upgrade to a paid plan in order to experience the full and unlimited power of this auto design. All right, there are also several other text prompts and keywords that you can use in order to generate your perfect theme, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to setting primary and secondary colors. So I'll come right here and I'll close this down. So guys, for the sake of this lesson, let's assume we have our theme applied already. Of course, you must have applied it at your own end. All right, now you can change your font by following these few steps. All right, all you have to do is to click on the text that you want to update the font. All right, now let's come right here and then let's click on this text right here. Now as soon as we have clicked on this text, you can see that we have our inline design menu pop up. All right, now come right here where you can see the three dots. You can see where my mouse cursor is on. All right, and then click on these three dots. All right, and then you can come right here and then click on the font drop down and then choose your desired font. You can see where my mouse cursor is on. Right, now click on the font drop down and then you can see several fonts that can be used. All right, and then you can now go ahead to choose your desired font. Let's say this Noto serif, and that's fine. You can also change your font size, all right, to your desired font size. Let's say 48. All right, you can see that our font has been changed and it is now larger and bolder. And you can do this for all of this right here. You can change this font to Noto serif, just like we did earlier, and then make the size to be 48. Of course, you can make it to be something lesser. All right, now let's reduce this font, okay, because of all the text we have here. Let's say let's make our font to be 18. So guys, 18 is nice. Okay, let's make use of 18. Let's take this back to 18. All right. And that's beautiful, guys. Let's also go ahead to change these fonts. All right. And that's beautiful, guys. Now let's go for our brand logos and images. In order for you to personalize your app with brand logos and custom imagery, first, for your custom logos, click on image on the left hand side. All right, and then click on uploads. All right, you can see where my mouse cursor is on, and then also click on the blue upload image icon. Now we have our logo uploaded. All right, now all we have to do is to drag and drop it onto our project. All right, so guys, we are assuming that this is a brand logo we want to have on our project. All right, so now we have uploaded our logo. It is time to drag and drop it on our project. And that's beautiful. Now let's resize this and then let's have it stay right here. Now we are assuming that this is our brand logo right here, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to take away this brand logo right here, okay, because it is just for an example purpose, and that is why we have uploaded this right here. We don't necessarily want this to be here, okay. So I'll click on this and then I would click on delete on my keyboard, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, in order to access the color settings in Uizard, you will need to use the color picker feature, and here is how to find it. Now for example, let's click on the component we want to change. Now let's access the color picker by clicking on the color here in the inline toolbar. All right, or click in the toolbar to get the design menu, or you can as well click on the design. Now let's click on this color right here. Here you can find your color picker, right? You can see you can pick any color of your choice, right? And as we pick any color, you can see that it changes, right? And that's beautiful, guys. Now for the text colors, the color field circle will be under the text section when changing the colors. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, you might be wondering whether what we have here is meant to represent a home screen, a search and explore screen, or even a profile setting screen. Please note that this is just a sample for demonstration purpose. Your task is to improve upon this design, all right, by creating a more user-friendly and intuitive interface. Now, consider this as an assignment or a class exercise, and also feel free to explore your creativity and then apply the principles you must have gathered in this lesson. I believe you have the potential to come up with something even better. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, nice work right here. You have just applied your brand colors, fonts and imagery to your app. Alright, your project now looks uniquely yours. Alright, in the next lesson we will take this style design and then prepare it for testing and feedback. You are almost there, guys. Keep it up. See you soon.